What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the number one thing that is keeping people from scaling their restoration business. I've been doing this a long time. I've been coaching guys in the industry a long time, and this is something that I see over and over again. Essentially, if you own a restoration company and you want to grow and scale your business, you do not want to miss this video. Let's go. All right, guys, so as we get started, do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe button, and drop a comment. Tell me where you guys are tuning in from. I read every single one, and it really means a lot to me. So let's hop in. So hitting $1 million a year in restoration is pretty simple. Getting to $2 million and remaining as profitable as you were at 1, a little more of a challenge. Getting to 3, even a bigger challenge. In this video, I'm going to talk about the mistakes that a lot of restoration companies make and why they stall out when they try to scale beyond $1 million a year in restoration. So let's jump in. The first thing I want to say to you is this. The first $1 million is pretty easy, okay? You can get that any number of ways. The way that most people get the first $1 million is, $300,000 or $400,000 of water, a couple $100,000 of mold, and they bolt a bunch of recon in there. And, you're at $1 million. And depending on how you grow your company, that may be okay for a little bit, but the problem is they never can get far beyond that. Here's the problem, and here's the reason why. If you break down the average $2 million restoration company, it looks a lot like this. The $1 million company does $400,000, $500,000 of water, maybe 4, whatever. When they go to do $2 million, they're only doing like $600,000 of water. $600,000 of water, probably doing couple, maybe $150,000, $200,000 of mold. So $700,000 or $800,000 of work with their W-2s, and the other $1.4 million is all recon, and that's what they're doing. And the problem is this: they will have a handful of trucks. They will have a reconstruction project manager on staff, maybe an estimator, somebody in the office. They're going to be pushing 12 people on staff. And most of that $1.6 million is subcontract labor. Subcontract labor and materials where there's not a lot of margin and there's not a lot of markup. And so $2 million sounds really good, but at the end of the day, sometimes it's hard to breathe. Sometimes it is hard to breathe. And here's what I want you to know. When you're growing your restoration company and they get stuck around $2 million, here's what they wind up doing. They grow the business wide instead of growing the business tall. They don't focus on expanding a direct vertical because they never mastered getting jobs. They never mastered the art of getting jobs. They got $400,000 to $600,000, $700,000 of water, and that's all they could get. And guess what? You can only get as much recon that comes on the back as $600,000 of water. You can only get, so they stack contents into the mix. They might start stacking other services, like maybe they're going to start doing dryer vents or something ridiculous, okay? And here's the bigger idea. And the next thing you know, they're bolting a roofing division onto their company, trying to get into the roofing industry, trying to start doing pack houses, try to start housing materials in contents. And the problem is this: you got to have a gateway job to get that first. Yes, sir.
Can I have some popsicles?
Go get you a popsicle. I'll open it for you. It's a little hot in Florida today. And look at that sun, by the way. If you wonder why a white man turns brown in Florida, that's that thing right there. It's that big ball of fire, okay? Did you know that Florida is 613 miles away from the surface of the sun? I think that's a fact. So, but here's what I want you to know. You need to master your gateway jobs. You need to master your gateway jobs, and there's 2 types of gateway jobs. There is water, and then there's fire. These are the only 2 types of This isn't going to work very well. It's melted, buddy. You got to go shut it and let it freeze again. So, full disclosure, I left the freezer open and I didn't realize it was open that long, and his popsicle is water. That's sad. Don't tell him I said that. Let's get back to the story at hand. You need to master gateway jobs, and there's only 2 types of gateway jobs. It's water or it's fire. It's water or it's fire, okay? Water or fire. And most people that try to scale to $2 million or greater or longer, they're all going to be melted. You got to go, it's anything in the freezer is melted. You got to go shut the freezer, okay? He doesn't listen very much, you know? But there's two types of gateway jobs, water and fire. And here's the problem. If you don't master getting one of those gateway jobs, your company is doomed. You can only get so much collateral work when you can only get so much water or only so much fire. And bolting recon onto the business, bolting contents onto the business, bolting whatever else you want to bolt onto the business is fine. But it's only going to go as far as the amount of gateway jobs that you can harness. Y'all listening to me? You can only go as far as the amount of gateway jobs that you can get. And that is going to be how many water jobs can you get? So I'm trying to tell you what the problem is, number one, and tell you what the solution is, number two.
Hey guys, real quick, in case you didn't know, I help people just like you grow and scale your water damage restoration business. If you are interested in me helping you grow and scale your company, go to workwithshane.com. We hop on a 15-minute call to see if we're a good fit. Workwithshane.com. Now, let's go back to the video.
Once you reach critical mass and you're on the $1 million run rate, get to your $1 million, okay? But you need to do it with a gateway job, not with recon, with just water or just fire cleaning. I don't care, but you don't need to measure your reconstruction funds into the bag, into the mix, because it's going to bloat your company and you will identify as a $2 million company and you're not. You're all hat, you're no cattle. Do you understand? You need to measure your gateway jobs and that's it. I don't care if it's water. I don't care if it's fire. Only measure the gateway stuff. Don't measure the stuff that comes on the back side of it. Let me tell you a different story. If you do $1 million of fire and $800,000 of water, but the $800,000 of water is because the fire department sprayed water on a fire, that's not $800,000 of water. That's $1.8 million of fire. Are you listening? That's $1.8 million of fire, because if you lose your fire, you lose all that water. If the contents come from fires, you're not in the content business, you're in the fire business. And so you need to attribute all of the child revenue to the parent revenue to the parent job, and that's either going to be a water job or a fire job. Does that make sense? It's either going to be a water job or a fire job. The problem is people don't master acquiring projects and jobs at will, okay? And I'm going to tell you a hint. Here's the secret to growing your restoration company, not only in where you're at, but if you master this, you can move it to any business, anywhere you want in the country, guys, okay? Once you learn how to get water damage jobs from plumbers, once you learn and understand how to identify the proper referral partner, approach them and build the $1 million relationship, you can do that anywhere in the United States of America where there is a sustainable population to support the business, which would basically be over 250,000 people in your area, okay? If you're under 200,000 people, there will be some limitations to your market. You'll have to do some other things. But for most people, travel any direction, 50 miles, and you'll have over 200,000 people, okay? And if you've got that, there's more work there than you can dream of owning your own, okay? So here's what I want to tell you. Learn how to master getting jobs. Learn how to master getting jobs. And for me and my restoration company, it was plumbers. In this business here, it's content. That's what I do. That's how I get it. That's how I make it.
I want an apple.
He's back. Just a minute. For the love of all things good, if you want to know how to scale, figure out which gateway job you want to pursue, water or fire, and pursue that to the fullest and learn how to master it. And when I say master it, like if I'm talking about plumbers, you shouldn't stop at $1 million, okay? You should be able to go well past $3 million in any given decent sized market. And if you're not beyond $3 million of water mitigation from plumbers, you still don't know how to master plumbers. So you need to focus on that. I know several guys, many guys that got to $3 million of plumbers, but they never mastered it. And they built a handful of relationships, but they couldn't land the rest of the guys in the market. And here's the problem with that. There's still $3 million inside your service area, And before you try to go open up a satellite location, you need to learn how to catch the fish that are still under your boat. You need to learn how to catch the fish that are still under your boat. I just want you to know, the minute you can master getting gateway jobs, then if you want, look, if you're getting $3 million of water and you want to go to $10 million instantly, just bolt recon on the business if you want. I would tell you just learn how to master the rest of the water damage referral partners for plumbers in your area, and then spin up a satellite location that takes you to $3 to $5 million in 18 months. That's the real good way to do it. And now you got a central location, you got an hour here and an hour there. Everything's fed into one hub, and you're doing all gravy water. And that right there will take you to $15 million. You can do $9 million in your core location, $9 or $10 million, and do 3 and 3. I mean, it's a playbook, guys. It's a playbook. So as we bring this thing in for a landing, whatever it is you choose to do, learn how to master your gateway jobs, either water or either fire. And if you're going to do water, you're never going to scale it without mastering plumbers. The internet is up and down. It is fragile by nature. Some bozo can come into town, decide that he wants to spend $15,000 a month on ads, and he can drive up the cost per click in your market. And then suddenly, if you were making $150,000 to $200,000 a month on the internet, it can break. It can cut in half because you got bozo over there freaking driving up the cost per click. Does that make sense?
I want my algae.
I got to go feed this kid, guys. Hopefully that's helped you. Share this with somebody. Tag a restoration contract. We'll see you in the next one.
Guys, if you didn't already know, the two biggest problems you're going to have in owning a restoration company are this. Number one, getting consistent water damage jobs coming in the door. Number two, getting paid what you're worth for those water damage jobs. For that reason, I'm addressing both those problems with these videos to my left or right. On one side, it's about getting jobs. On the other side, it's about getting paid. Go over there, click the link. I'll see you in the next video.